this was coming from the ownership. It was cost effective, and we also wanted to move the company into the AI space and to operate with a CRM that had the capabilities of um, uh, powering an AI-based platform. What we did was we went into the AI space first. It was a SaaS company that uses HighLevel to run their application. So being that we were getting the AI agents and still using lead perfection, it kind of became too heavy to operate both at the same time. So we decided, let's just fully migrate over to HighLevel since we have the AI agents working on that end. Because I realized I can't do it. And that there's actually experts out there who can. And it took me a while to find you guys, but that was pretty much it. I just realized I couldn't do it. So yeah, I did. I dealt with several other companies and freelancers, and I asked everyone the same question and present the same situation because this is the actual situation. And what made me go with Clone Partners is because you guys actually knew exactly what I needed to have done without me having to fully elaborate into it, and also knew exactly how you were going to handle it. That type of confidence was reassuring, where, I felt, yes, this is the right decision. That's a good question because it was something that I just noticed with the ownership when it comes to a lot of things that are in the tech space. Their lack of fully understanding creates some sort of doubt with the outcomes. So what was reassuring is that number one, you guys responded within 24 hours, which was the best thing. And the response was not just from yourself, but it was also attaching and copying in the actual developer. So that actually was reinforcing. And then the fact that you offered the actual timeline, there was a calendar link to schedule a meeting to meet with Rupendra. And I think that was everything that I needed to just communicate. Because a lot of times it's not about meeting the deadline on a precise manner. Sometimes it's just about the ability to communicate and have some type of response. So you guys kind of checked all the boxes there. I I definitely like the outcome because we were actually able to get it done. It was a learning experience. So I'm a person who is passionate about, you know, being educated and having moments of, um, having a different understanding towards, things in the tech space. So I think that the entire process was always a constructive interaction. From the way that you guys sent over the questionnaire, the document, to map out how we want the migration to appear, and to map out those fields. Everything was organized. So yeah, it was a very comfortable experience. That was actually a deal breaker for the owners. And I think you guys kind of read the room and delivered, optimum. Absolutely. That's why I inquired about the affiliate program because I can definitely see us having a relationship moving forward where I would be sending in some referrals. Absolutely.